Good morning students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we will do class 4 English question answers of chapter 12, Be Kind to Animals. Let's do the question answers. Tick T or F for true or false statements. First one is, the bird was in the bush. It is true or false? Yes, that was true. Her nest was in bush. So, we will tick T. Next is, mother did not like Jaya's catching of the bird. True or false? It is true. Mother did not like Jaya's catching of the bird. Next is, the bird was hurt. No, that was not hurt. So, we will tick F. Next is, the children wanted to put the bird in a cage. Yes, they wanted to put her in a cage and play with it. So, we will tick T. Okay students. Now, mother wanted her children to free the bird. Yes, it is true. Next is, we should be kind to birds and animals. Yes, and this is the message of the lesson, that we should be kind to birds and animals. So, we will tick T. Next is, the mother allowed the children to play with the bird. True or false? No, she did not allow the children to play with the bird. So, it is false and we will tick F. Got it? Now, complete the following sentences. First one is, Sushil said that it was not cruel because they, and we will complete it from the book. They will give it milk to drink and bread to eat. Fill these lines from the book. Next is, Sushil would cry for fear. Why? If a big giant takes him away from his mother. Next is, the boys at school were caught a puppy and beat him. Next is, animals also, and we will write have feelings. Next, as birds are weak, you tease them. In this way, we will complete the sentences. Now, answer the questions briefly. First question is, who caught the bird? And the answer is, Jaya caught the bird. Question number 2, what did the children want to do with the bird? Answer is, the children wanted to put the bird in cage and play with it. Question number 3, who had the bird? Answer is, Sushil had the bird. Question 4, what advice did their mother give them? Answer is, mother advised children to be kind to birds and animals. Question number 5, why should we be kind to little birds and animals? And the answer is, we should be kind to little birds and animals because they are weak and have feelings also, and it is cruel to hurt the feeling of the weak. So, we should be kind to little birds and animals. Question number 6, what did the children promise to their mother? And the answer is, the children promised to their mother to be always kind to birds and animals and not tease them. Now, tick the correct answer. Mother is option A, kind to her children only. Option B, kind to animals and birds. Option C, unkind to puppies. Option D, unkind to dogs and cats. Which option is correct? Mother is kind to animals and birds. So, we will write here option B. Now, fill in the blanks with the words given in brackets. Words are cruel, hurt, gently, pretty and pleasure. First sentence is, she looks very dash in her new frock. Which word will come here? Pretty. She looks very pretty. So, we will write here pretty. She looks very pretty in her new frock. Next is, the king was very. Which word will come? Cruel. So, we will write cruel here. The king was very cruel. Next is, she touched the bird gently. So, we will write here gently. Fourth one is, it is a dash to meet you. Which word will come? Pleasure. So, we will write here pleasure. Next is, we should not dash animals. Which word will come? Hurt. We should not hurt animals. So, we will write here H-U-R-T, hurt. Got it, students? Now, write one word for the following group of words. First one is a place for birds to live in, and the word starts from letter N. It is nest. So, we will write here E-S-T, N is written here, nest. Second is an iron or wooden frame to keep an animal or a bird in, and word starts from letter C. What is it? It's cage. So, we will write here C-A-G-E, cage. Next is the young one of a dog. What is it called? Starts from P, puppy. Then we will write here P-U-P-P-Y. Next is take hold of something, means caught. So, we will write here C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Now, match the words in column A with the most suitable words in column B. In column A, words are kind, live, lost, lose, small, weak. And in column B, words are found, cruel, die, strong, tight and big. We have to match it. With what? Its opposites. So, opposite of kind is cruel. So, we will match kind to cruel. Next is live. Live, opposite of live is die. So, we will match it with die. Next, lost. Opposite of lost is found. So, we will match it with found. Next, loose. Opposite of loose is tight. So, we will match it with tight. Small. Opposite of small, big. So, we will match with big. Weak. Opposite of weak, strong. So, we will match it with strong. Understand, students? Now, write the full form of. We have to write its full form. We can write here two words with use of apostrophe, and it is we have. we have. We can write in short like that. Now this is we will. So we will write here we will. This word is did not. So we will write here did not, and we can write did not in short like this, didn't. This is don't, and proper word is do not. So we will write here do not. Next is isn't. We will write it like is not, is not. So these are the short form of these words. Now study the following sentences and understand how the underlined word has been used. First one is you must wear woolen clothes to keep warm. Second is you must go for a regular walk to lose weight. Third is we must pay the taxes in time. Must is underlined here. Next is you must be kind to birds and animals. In the above sentence, must has been used to show necessity, compulsion or obligation. It is called a modal. Must is a modal. In this sentence, it is an obligation, and in this sentence, it is compulsory. Okay? Must is used for compulsion, necessity and obligation. The negative of must is must not, which means prohibition. The meaning of must not is means prohibition, means we should not do it. Now make sentences using must. For example, respect our elders. Now we will make sentence using must. So we will write we must respect our elders. Got it? Now we will make sentences using must. First one is be nice to others. By using must, we will write we must be nice to others. So we will write here we must be nice to others and full stop. Next is help the poor. We will write it like this, we must help the poor. We must help the poor. Okay students. Now care for the sick. We will write here we must care for the sick. It is an obligation or necessity. Must is used for obligation and necessity and compulsion. Look after our old parents. So, it is our duty also. We must look after our old parents and full stop. Work hard to pass the examination. We will write here we must work hard to pass the examination. pass the examination. Next is take exercise to keep fit and healthy. We will write we must take exercise to keep fit and healthy. Understand, students? Now fill in the blanks with must or must not. We have to choose must will become or must not. First sentence is we dash get up early in the morning. Must or must not? It's necessity, compulsion, obligation or prohibition. It's necessity. We must get up early in the morning. You dash waste time. Which word will come? Must or must not? Must not. It's prohibition. We must not waste time. Third is we dash obey our parents. We will use here must. It is our duty to obey our parents. People dash keep the streets clean. We will use here must. People must keep the streets clean. It's our duty. Fifth is we dash throw plastic bags on the road. It's prohibition. So, we will use here we must not throw plastic bags on the road. We should throw it in dustbin. Next is we dash follow the rules of the road. Here we will write must because it is compulsory. We must follow the rules of the road. Got it, students? Now study the following sentences. We will put it in a cage. We will play with it. We will give it milk to drink and bread to eat. I will play with you. I will help you if you like. In these sentences, will is used. In the above sentences, will has been used to show intention, willingness, etc. in future time. Make sentences using will. For example, buy toys tomorrow. Tomorrow means we will do it in future. So, we will make sentence like this, we or I. We can use both. We or I, we will use one of them. Will buy toys tomorrow. Now, we will make these sentences using will. Play cricket next month. So, we will write here we will play cricket when. In future means next month. Next month. Next is go on a picnic next Sunday. So, we will write here we will go on a picnic when, in future or tomorrow. So, we will write Next Sunday. Next Sunday. Next is help you with money if you need. I will help you. With what? With money. If you need. I will help you with money if you need. Eat toffees and biscuits. I will eat toffees and biscuits. Next is buy new books next year. We may use I or we. We will buy books next year. Okay, students. Now, from the list given below, add the words of the similar sound to the group and then speak. Bird, shirt, night light, nest, rest, die, buy, play, day, look, book. And these words are given here. We have to choose rhyming words and write against each of the word. Okay, students. Now, bird, shirt. Which word has similar sound like bird or shirt? Let us see. Curd. Yes, it is similar to bird. So, we will write here curd. Shirt. Hurt. It is similar to shirt. So, we will write here hurt. Next is learn. It is not similar bird or shirt. So, we will not write it. Night or light. Now, see which word is similar to night light, which sounds similar. We will write tight. We will write here tight, then fight, and one more word is given sight. So, we will write here S-I-G-H-T, sight. Then nest, rest. Let us see guest. So, we will write here guest. It sounds like nest or rest. Then test and then best. It also sounds similar. Now, die, buy. B-Y-E, buy. We will write here buy, tie, then lie. Okay, students. Now, play, day. Which word is similar to it? Say. We will write here say, may, and away or ray. We will write here away, or we can write ray. Next is look, book. Which word is similar to it? Took and cook. So, we will write here took and cook. Okay, students. Now, I have a pet dog in my house. The dog is very faithful to me. It looks after my house day and night. I give it milk to drink and bread to eat. I don't beat it. I give it a place to live in. I look after it well. I try my best to make it comfortable and safe. This is a paragraph about a pet. Now read the above paragraph and write a similar paragraph by changing the first person pronoun into third person pronoun wherever required. We use I here. Now we have to change this into third pronoun. So we will use Kapil. Now we will write like this. Kapil have a pet dog in his. We have right here my. We will use his here. Kapil have a pet dog in his house. The dog is very faithful to him. And here it is written me. We will use him in place of me. Now you understand it? It looks after his house day and night. He gave him milk to drink and bread to eat. He don't beat it. He gave it a place to live in. He look after it well. He try his best to make it comfortable and safe. Now replace the first person by a name and rewrite the paragraph. Begin it like this. Now we will replace I with name Anita and we will write like this. Anita has a pet dog in her house, not my. We will use her house. The dog is very faithful to her. It looks after her house day and night. She gave him milk to drink and bread to eat. She, we are using she in place of I. Don't beat it. She gave it a place to live in. She look after it well. She try her best to make it comfortable and safe. In this way, we will write paragraph. Now write 3 sentences each using must and must not, which show your kindness to birds and animals. For example, we must give them food to eat. Now we will write here, we must give them water to drink. Next, make them comfortable. We will write, we must make them comfortable. Next is be kind to them. We will write here, we must be kind to them. Now we must not beat them. We will write, we dash kill them for sport. We must not kill them. So we will write here, we must not kill them for sport. Next is we dash tease. We must not tease them. We must not tease them. We can write here them also. Next is we dash be cruel to them. We will write here, we must not be cruel to them. In this way, we will write sentences of must and must not. So students, these were your question answers of chapter 12, Be Kind to Animals. Just do it in your English notebook. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.